So let's start verbal ability. It is our day 2 for verbal ability, and we are doing article. In article, we have uh, we have another topic, use of the. So use of the, the. So your first important line, when we speak of a particular person, I have not taken yet. Vedant, geometrical mean I have not taken yet. Geometrical mean class will be in next class, the day after tomorrow. Celebrate Diwali tomorrow? Yes. After that, we'll be having class. There I will take geometrical mean. When we speak a person, particular person or thing already referred to. For example, if you go for example, suppose it's like already you have you know the person, or already you know the thing, already you know, and now you want to refer that. Suppose you have gone for a movie, so already you have visited the movie, and now you are giving your opinion. So you can say that I dislike the movie. So you will see that I dislike the follow. So follow means anything, like it can be anything. So here you are using word the. So we are speaking about someone, some person, or something. So we are using this. Now second, when singular noun will represent the whole class, now see, referred to. Now see the second point. It is very interesting point. When singular noun will represent the whole class, that time also we have to use the. So I am writing a statement. In that statement, you check where I am using the. The mango, the I am writing with black color. The mango is considered the king among fruits. Get my point here. Here mango is representing a class of fruit, and here king also representing king class. So that's why we have the. Now we have certain condition where we use also. So for that we have a complete list. So let's go one by one. I'm changing the page. So third one is like with name of. Among fruits, like whatever fruits we have. Fruits. Actually, the fruits is also correct, but actually right now I'm explaining to explain the class, like among all types of fruits, mango is a class. In that we have several category of mangoes, right? For like in our side, if you'll go in Uttar Pradesh, then there you have very popular mango, we call that Langda Aam. So with name of, so there are some names. So one by one we have to see all the names. So first one you take down. We have gulfs and we have rivers, and we have oceans, we have islands, and we have mountains. So before all those names, we have to put this thing. Like for example, you might have heard about one ocean, Red Sea, correct? Red Sea is ocean. So just before that, you will put the. Mountain, there are so many names, Himalaya. So before that, you have to put the. And we have so many gulfs also. Like one gulf is very popular gulf, Persian Gulf. Andaman Nicobar is our Iceland, right? So before that, we have to put the or the Andaman Nicobar, Andaman Island. And river, the Ganga, right? So this is the one thing. Now next thing, certain books, not all, certain books. Certain books means very popular. So like we have Vedas. So the Vedas. Then we have the Puran. So you'll say Puranas, the Puranas. We have Bible. So the Bible. Anything else, Ramcharitmanas. So you will say the Ramcharitmanas, anything. We have third category in which we have musical instrument. Musical instrument. Example. No need to write down example. You know all the musical instrument. Tabla, so the tabla. Violin, the violin. Flute, the flute. The guitar. Okay, guitar, one thing. So like we have singer, right? Arijit Singh. Arijit Singh, singer. And we have another singer. You remember the name of the singer? Atif Aslam. Atif Aslam. So we have two singers. Atif Aslam also, he has done so many songs in Bollywood. And of course, Arijit Singh from India doing Bollywood only. So, which singer you like the most? Arijit Singh or Atif Aslam? Tick on the screen. Me. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. But I am not in the option. Okay. So no need to waste time. We'll go ahead. So sometimes we have whenever we have some inventions, like telephone is one kind of invention. So before all the inventions, we have to put. So take down the point. The inventions. Fourth point. The inventions. For example, the telephone. There is no space. Okay, just I'll raise this. Take down the telephone. So before telephone, you have to write this. And then we have parts of bodies, parts of body. For example, fifth point, I'm changing the page. Parts of body. See guys, actually these things you don't have to sit and remember, because it is not tough. One time you will go with me. After that, it will be in your mind. So you can recall, like, because we are talking like a story, so we can recall, okay, yes, we can use there or not. So part of body. Any example? The mind. The leg. And of course, we have, religious groups. India is a very rich country in this case. Religious groups. So, example, you can say the Hindus. You can say the Sikhs. Spelling wrong. So these are the examples. Now we have some sectors. They work on the law, like in enforcing the law, right? For example, police, navy, air force. Before that also we have to put the word the. So go for this. Write down like this: names enforcing law. In that, the police, the air force, and then we have political parties. So two popular parties, any name you can say, like in 8th you go for name political parties. So here you can use like the Congress, you can say the BJP, now whatever aeroplanes are there, whatever ships are there, whatever trains are there, before their names also we should put the. For example, I'm changing the page. 9th one, aeroplanes, ships, trains, before their names also we have to put. For example, name of any popular train in India, anyone suggest? Rajdhani Express. Rajdhani Express is a train, so we can say the Rajdhani Express. The Rajdhani Express. Can anyone suggest name of any aeroplane? Name of any aeroplane? Cessna, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Cessna, you guys know Cessna, which model is very popular for the pilot training? 172. Cessna 172 is very, very popular for the pilot training. So you should write like the name will come. Do you know there is a name called Makalu? This is aeroplane name. You can Google it. So the word we will be using. So you can see the Cessna. Cessna is a very popular plane. Are, why are you bothering about very small plane like this? You have so huge planes, man. We are aerospace engineers. We know better about planes, right? We all are aerospace engineers here. We know about planes. Okay, now we'll go for some ships. So tell me any ship name, any popular ship name in India. Carriers, you can choose carriers. Anyone come up with any name? Ship name. Carriers, choose the carriers. You might have heard Vikrant, right? INS Vikrant. So the Vikrant you can say. Then we have whatever empire or dynasty or historical events we have. Like so for that you write down from history also we are taking this. Whatever empires we have. Before the name of empires, dynasty or historical events. Before that also we have to put the. Historical event. Go for the historical event. You can say First World War was a historical event, right? First World War. So before this you have to put the First World War. It is historical event. And in case of dynasty, you can say the Gupta dynasty. So here you use the Gupta dynasty. And any kind of historical event, so many, like no need to go into detail, whatever. We are not SSC student, we are just understanding where to use the. Okay, so when we have some popular clubs and foundations, for example, there is a company called Ford. So even they have their foundation, so you can say Ford Foundation. So before that you will be using the. And Bill Gates, even he has foundation, so before that you can put the word the. So I'm changing the page. 11 clubs and foundations. So like example, the Ford Foundation. And suppose if any popular club, Lions Club, so the Lions Club. And some common nouns are there. Before that also we put the, but they will represent a unique thing. For example, when you have, okay, take in this way. Before common nouns denoting unique things. So for example, sun. Sun is a noun and it represents a specific thing, correct? So put the here. For example, sky. Sky is a noun. So put the here. So for example, earth. EARTH. So put the here. Because it is representing a specific thing. Suppose we are from aviation, right? We are aerospace engineers, aeronautical engineers. So like the Aeronautical Society of India. So I'm using the. Now whenever things, THINGS, things. Oh, by mistake I have written K here. Things, unique things. Suppose we are relating with any superlatives. Like what is superlative? Superlative, like it will represent kind of like best, first, more, poor. These things are superlatives. So you will go like this. Go for the 13 point. Superlatives. So you can say like he is the best actor. Then you can have ordinals also. Or before ordinals also you can put this. Suppose I am giving a sentence. He took the first taxi that come his way. So you see here, first taxi, best actor. So before this the, before this the. Now when we are having comparative degree, suppose I am giving a sentence. In that sentence I am trying to compare, or the sound is coming like we are comparing, comparative degree. So 15, before the comparative degree means, we can take an example. The more they lose, or you can say opposite, the more they win, or anything similar to that. The more they get, the more they want, or you can say the more they practice, the more they win. So here you understand what kind of degree, comparative, what thing we are trying to say. So we are using the here, we are using the here. Now changing the page. You take in this way. Before the before an adjective, before an adjective, when the noun is understood. For example, the poor would favor him. Now see here, poor would favor him. So this part was understood. That's why we are keeping here the. Like the person, someone is there, the person would come tonight. It means this part was understood. So we are using the. Okay guys, so in next class we'll start other topic. We will find out what is the error in the given noun. Okay, we'll see next class.